Hi, I'm Bam Aquino and this is Bite-Sized Open Kitchen. Nung nasa US ako last year, natuto talaga ako magluto. I survived 4 months and yung isang natipuhan ko talagang gawin is yung sinigang. May gulay, may sabaw, may karne. So pork sinigang yung alam kong gawin. Ano yan, natutula ako sa YouTube, honestly. You know, iba-iba yung style nila, pero kinokopya-kopya ko na lang. The first time, sobra akong careful dun sa mga measurements. Pero by the last time, tansya-tansya na lang, di ba? Yung tipo ko rin ng sinigang, yung malapot. Pag ginalo mo na yung gabi, tsaka yung taba, ano na yun, panalo na yun. Parang ano siya eh, taste of home. I was so confident sa aking sinigang na nag-i-invite na ako ng mga co-fellows ko from other countries para subukan yung sinigang. Naisip ko to invite them over and to cook food for them. Eventually, naging uso, so people started to cook for each other, no? I found out na sobrang enjoyable magluto. Like, nag-i-enjoy ako magluto. And of course, nung dumating yung family ko, cooking for my kids, it was such a joy. So guys, ito na yung ingredients natin. Kangkong, kamatis, labanos, talong, gabi, okra, sitaw, onions, mix. Ayun lang sabihin, pero may choice ako of sinigang mix. Oil, and patis. So some oil. Actually, ano yun first time ko yon to live on my own. Mamimiss mo talaga yung Filipino food eh. The garlic, yung smells. Nung pumunta ako doon, may bawon akong suka, may bawon akong toyo, may bawon akong dahon ng laurel. Super bango na dito. Bango-bango na. That's the kamatis tsaka yung sibuyas. Ngayon naman, ilalagay na natin yung baboy. Ito, gusto nating brown muna. Mas masiseal yung lasa with the onions and the tomato. Ito naman, at this point, nagba-brown na siya. Pwede mo itong iwan ng konti. Lagyan mo ng patis and pepper. Medyo masagana ako maglagay ng patis. Please don't judge me. Don't judge me. Just let this brown a little bit more. You know, nalaman ko rin kasi ang cooking is 80% confidence. Parang life lang yun. Tsaka at the end of the day, kung hindi siya masarap, you know, you learn next time. Ibahin mo ng konti para sumarap-sarap siya. Yung maganda rin kasi dito sa sinigang, sulit siya eh. Kasi yung isang ganito, parang 4 or 5 meals na to eh. Ano ba, matipid lang talaga. Cheap. Matipid lang talaga. There's sinigang with pork, sinigang with beef, sinigang with fish. Di ba? So magugulat sila, really? It's everything, sabi kaya. Pag may kaibigan ka na foreigner, they want to know about your country, and yung magandang entry point dyan, yung pagkain. Now we'll put the water at papaboil natin to. Tansyahin nyo kung gaano kataas yung pot. But this one, ang mahalaga, nakasubmerge. Okay? So we'll cover this. Babalik kami sa'yo, sinigang. Okay guys, nakaka 20 minutes na tayo. So kailangan tingnan-tingnan siya. Makikita dito, medyo umaangat na yung pork. So dadagdagan ko ng konti para lang ma-submerge natin ulit yung pork. Pwede din natin ilagay ang mix. Of course, kailangan haluhaluin. And isabay na natin yung gabi. Kasi papakuluan pa natin to maybe another 15 to 20 minutes. Growing up, no, my mom, mahilig talaga siya magluto. But growing up, may famous pasta dish yung nanay ko, yung amatriciana, no? Pasta amatriciana, which is basically spaghetti na tomato-based but with a lot of bacon. But sa bahay namin, mas mahilig talaga namin yung Filipino food. No? Yung mga anak ko rin, I'm trying na mahilig rin sila sa sinigang, mahilig rin sa adobo. Okay, so nilagay na yung mix. Let's cover this at babalikan natin to in another few minutes. Siguro naka 35 to 40 minutes na tayo na pinapakuluan lang. Masarap na final stretch yung vegetables natin. So, vegetables natin, meron tayong labanos, sitaw, kangkong, and talong. Kanina, merong okra rin, pero ayaw ng mga bata ng okra. So, kayo na lang maglagay ng okra at sili. Itong aking health journey, malaking bagay dyan yung pagbabawas ng snacking. Honestly, guys. Keep to the cooked food with gulay, di ba? Less on the snacking and the desserts. Bago ho tayo magpatuloy, meron tayong special guest, ang pinaka-special na guest sa araw na to, si Ate Rory and si Coco. Say hi to everybody! So sila po ang aking #1 judge and critic ng aking sinigang. So, itong kangkong guys, this is the last step kasi yung kangkong cooks very fast, usually 5 to 10 minutes lang. Okay na to. So we're gonna put back the pot lid and wait for another 5 to 10 minutes and then testing na, right? Excited? Yeah! Okay, cool. Wow! Ikaw? 8.5! Okay, it's alright. You can be honest, honey. You can be honest. But what food did I cook for you that's your super favorite? Bacon? Oh, my bacon is what? Out of 10? 10,000 out of 10. Malalim ang pag-iisip. Hotdog. Pancit Canton. Oh, but I cooked hotdog for you, right?
No, sausage.
Pareho lang yun. Sausage, hotdog. Di ba pareho lang yun?
No.
No, because kids can tell. Joke lang. This is actually okay na. We're actually ready to serve this. What's your request? Kangkong?
I knew it.
Okay, for ate, you like the sabaw on the rice, di ba? Siyempre, ang gusto ko yung pork. Big chunk of pork. Ready, set, go. My perfect sinigang scoop. Ikaw, go. Out of 10, ilan? 1,000 million. Thank you, Bite Size. Salamat. Friends, susubugin na namin to. Kahit ako nagugulat, ang sarap niya. Thank you everyone. Pagod na pagod kayo, haba ng araw, tapos may nakaredy na pagkain. Doble yung sarap. Big chunk of pork. Sarap? Ate, sarap? Thumbs up? Guys, pakihanap kami, Bam Aquino with the blue check on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and bamaquino.ph on TikTok. For more fun food content gaya nito, please like, share, and subscribe to bitesize.ph on all of their social media platforms. Bam! Corny.